So, the United States government has introduced some new rules about social media. And yeah, these rules are pretty important for anyone who wants to visit, study, or live in the US. Now, the US actually checks the social media of people applying for visas and green cards. This includes popular platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Even, online activity from many years ago can be reviewed. These rules, they're already in effect, and they apply to all types of visas, including student visas. If you're found to have shared certain kinds of content, well, your visa application could be denied. And here's the thing, even if you weren't aware of the rules, it still counts. The US government wants to make sure that anyone admitted to the country poses no security risk. The US government is especially concerned about online activity that might suggest support for terrorism or anti-Semitism, could lead to a visa denial. These groups are officially considered terrorist organizations by the US government. Even just liking or sharing posts from these groups, yeah, that can be a problem too. Sharing content that promotes violence or hatred toward Jewish people is also grounds for denial. This includes stuff like denying the Holocaust or spreading harmful stereotypes. The US government takes anti-Semitism very seriously. It wants to make sure the country remains a welcoming environment for all its citizens, including Jewish people. It's really important to remember that non-US citizens don't have the same free speech rights as US citizens. The First Amendment of the US Constitution does protect freedom of speech, but that protection isn't absolute for non-citizens. The US government has the legal right to deny entry to anyone it considers a security threat. And even if you're already living in the US on a green card, your online activity can still have consequences. The government can actually revoke green cards and deport people based on what they post on social media. This applies even if the posts were made before these new rules were introduced. So, yeah, it's essential to be mindful of your online presence at all times. Before applying for a US visa, it's definitely a smart idea to review your social media profiles. Go ahead and delete any posts that might be seen as supporting terrorism, anti-Semitism, or any other form of hatred or violence. Also, be careful about the groups and pages you like and follow. Even if you're not posting anything yourself, your associations online can still be held against you. And remember, the rules and regulations around US visas, they can change at any time. It's super important to stay up to date on the latest requirements. The USCIS website is your best bet for accurate, current information. By staying informed and taking steps to clean up your online presence, you can really improve your chances of a successful visa application.